Today's beading technique is what I call small but mighty. Hello lovelies, welcome to daily beading class with Zbest, video 8. For today's tutorial, we'll be using our seed bead and our sequence. First, you want to pass your sequence followed by your seed bead. After that, you take your needle and go into the fabric as shown in the video. Then you want to keep repeating this same process for your designs. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Drop a comment for me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share. I love you. Bye.